In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee profile photo in QuickBooks. This quick and easy process will only take about 5 minutes, and by the end you'll have your employee profiles looking more personalized and professional. Let's dive right in. First, on your QuickBooks online account interface, you want to locate and click on the Sign In option. This is your gateway into accessing all the wonderful features QuickBooks offers. After clicking Sign In, you'll want to choose QuickBooks Online from the options provided. It's important because QuickBooks supports multiple platforms, and choosing the right one leads you to the correct interface for this process. Once you've selected QuickBooks Online, you'll be prompted to type in your credentials. This is straightforward. Just enter your username and password and then click on Continue to gain access to your account. It's always a good practice to ensure your credentials are secure and not shared with unauthorized users to maintain the confidentiality of your financial data. Now that you're logged in, take a look at your dashboard. You should see an option labeled Employees. Go ahead and click on it. This section houses all your employee data, providing a seamless way to manage and update details effortlessly. After clicking on Employees, you'll need to select the employee whose profile you want to update with a photo. Simply click on their profile from the list that appears. Having employee photos can be extremely helpful, especially if you manage a large team. It not only personalizes the profile, but also makes it easier to identify team members at a glance. Once you're in the employee's profile, there will be a pencil icon somewhere on the page. Yes, that's your next step. Click on this pencil icon. It indicates the edit option, so any changes that need to be made to the employee profile will be initiated from here. Within the edit menu, you should find an option that says Select File. Clicking this will open up a window where you can browse your computer for the appropriate photo. It might be a good idea to have your employee photos well organized in a folder so they are easy to find during this step. Once you've located the desired photo, you may need to do a bit of cropping to fit QuickBooks' requirements, and their built-in tool allows you to do just that with ease. Crop the photo as needed to focus on the employee's face, ensuring the photo appears clear and professional. Finally, after adjusting the photo, look for the Save button. Clicking Save ensures that all your changes are stored and that the new photo is now a part of the employee's profile. And there you have it, an updated employee profile photo in QuickBooks. This simple update can really make a difference in how you organize and visually manage your team's profiles. Thanks for watching, and I hope your QuickBooks experience is even more user-friendly and efficient.